Hello students, today we will do the chapter 12 of class 10th. So the name of this chapter is electricity. So dear student, today we will do the blueprints of this chapter. So first blueprint is on page number 200. So what is your first blueprint? So first blueprint question is, what does an electric circuit mean? That means what is the meaning of electric circuit? So dear student, as we know that what is electric circuit? An electric circuit means a closed and continuous path through which an electric current flow. That means an electric circuit is a closed or a continuous path. That means कि जो हमारे इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट होता है इट इज़ अ क्लोज. That means वो एक क्लोज और जिसके अंदर से कंटिन्यूसली इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो हो रही है. That means an electric circuit means a closed and a continuous path through which an electric current flow. For example, if we want to draw the circuit diagram, then how can we draw it? So suppose, dear student, it is your cell and battery. Okay, so we need a cell or battery to create a potential difference. So this is the positive terminal, that is bigger, and smaller is negative terminal. So suppose this is the path and this is key which is used to switch on and off the circuit. Okay, so dear student, as we know that the current direction is always positive to negative terminal. So this is a direction positive to negative terminal, and this is a bulb and it is ammeter. Okay, so this is the direction of electric current. So dear student, this is battery, this is electric current direction, this is bulb, and this is ammeter. What is ammeter? Ammeter is used to measure the amount of electric current. Okay, so this is a diagram, that is this is a diagram of an electric circuit. Okay, because this is a क्लोज एंड अ कंटिन्यूस पाथ. मीन्स कि ये जो हमने सर्किट डायग्राम बनाया है ये कैसा है, क्लोज है, ये कहीं से भी ओपन नहीं है और यहाँ से कंटिन्यूसली एक टर्मिनल से करंट जाएगी दूसरे में से आ जाएगी, फिर एक से जाएगी फिर दूसरे से आ जाएगी. डैट मीन्स कंटिन्यूसली जो है करंट फ्लो हो रही है. सो दिस इज नोन एज इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. नेक्स्ट, डिफाइन द यूनिट ऑफ द करंट. सो व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ द करंट? एज वी नो डैट here we are talking about the SI unit of electric current. So what is the formula of electric current? As we know that electric current is denoted by I. I is equal to Q divided by T. Okay, so dear student, what is the SI unit of the electricity? That is electric current. SI unit is ampere. So if we take the SI unit of electric current, that is ampere. And what is the SI unit of charge? That is coulombs. And what is the SI unit of time? That is second. So now what is the definition of the 1 ampere? As we know that the SI unit of current is ampere. So how can we define it? So we can write it. We can write that the current flow through a conductor is said to be 1 ampere. What is the ampere? Ampere is the SI unit of electric current and it is denoted by A. Okay, when the current is 1 ampere, if 1 coulombs of charge flow through it in 1 second. Okay, so dear student, when current is 1 ampere, when 1 coulombs of charge flow through in 1 second, this is known as 1 ampere, and ampere is the SI unit of electric current. So now your third question. What is this question? Calculate the number of electron constituting 1 coulombs of charge. Okay, so dear students, as we know that 1 electron, as we know that the charge on an electron, what is the charge on an electron? As we know that the charge on an electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power 19 coulombs. Okay, so suppose if we having 1 electron, then the charge, if we having 1 electron, then the charge on 1 electron is equal to 1.6 power minus 19 coulombs. So if we have to find out how many electrons are there in only 1 coulombs, as we know that in 1 electron there are 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulombs, then how many electrons in 1 coulombs? That means we have to find out the number of electron. In 1 coulombs there are how many number of electrons? So for this the formula is N is equal to Q divided by E. Okay, so we have to find out only for one charge, so take value 1, and we know that how many coulombs in 1 electron, so we have to find out for only for 1, as we know that in 1 electron there are 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulombs charge are present. So 1 minus 6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. So now solve this. So if we want to solve this, then 1.6, when we take this upper side, it will be equal to 19. Okay, so now cut this point, and now 0 will come. Okay, so 10 divided by 16. Okay, so as we know that we can't cut 16 by 10, so we take 1 0 from here, so there are 19, so 18 are left, then 1 0 here. When we cut it, it will be equal to 6.25 and multiply 10 raised to power 18. So this is the number of electron in 1 coulombs. So how many number of electron are there? In 1 coulomb there are 6.25 multiply 10 raised to power 18 electrons. So this is the answer of this question. So next blueprint is on page number 202. So first question is that name a device that help to maintain a potential difference across a conductor. So dear student, battery or cell, a battery or a cell is used to maintain potential difference across a conductor. So जो भी हमारी devices, that means कौन potential difference create करता है, या तो हमारा cell create कर सकता है या फिर battery. So we can write a cell or a battery. So there is different type of battery which having different type of potential difference. सो आपने देखी होंगी कई सारी बैटरी जो होती है वो कहीं 6 वोल्ट की होती है, कोई 2 वोल्ट की होती है. सो देयर आर डिफरेंट वोल्टेज ऑफ बैटरी. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. What is meant by saying that the potential difference between 2 points is 1 volt? So dear student, firstly what is the formula of potential difference? So potential difference is denoted by V. Okay, so we know that V is equal to work done per unit charge. That means कि one charge को one terminal से second terminal और one point to another point move करने के लिए कितना work done करना पड़ा, that is the potential difference. Okay, so as we know that what is the SI unit of potential difference? The SI unit of potential difference is volt. So now we have to define what is 1 volt. So how can we define it? So as we know that the SI unit of potential difference is volt. Okay, so what is the SI unit of work? Work SI unit is joule, and charge SI unit is coulombs. So how can we define 1 volt? So 1 volt is the potential difference between 2 points. Okay, so we can say that potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor is said to be 1 volt when 1 joule of work done. That means कि जो 1 joule work done, हम उसको 1 volt कब बोलेंगे? When 1 joule of work done in carrying a 1 charge of 1 coulombs between the 2 points. That means कि 1 coulombs चार्ज को एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट तक लेके जाने में जब 1 जूल वर्क डन करना होगा, then it is said to be 1 volt. Okay, so what we can write? Potential difference between 2 points is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule of work is done in carrying a charge 1 coulombs between 2 points. Okay, so dear students, when we say that potential difference is 1 volt, so when 1 joule work done is to move 1 coulombs of charge. That means कि 1 coulombs charge को move करने के लिए जब हम 1 joule work done करेंगे, this is known as 1 volt. Next question is question number 3. How much energy is given to each coulombs of charge passing through a 6 volt battery? So here potential difference is given 6 volt battery. Okay, as we know that battery and a cell is used to create a potential difference between any conductor. Okay, so potential difference, that means V value is given 6 volt. And we have to find for each coulombs of charge. That means charge value is given, charge is denoted by Q, and it is given 1 coulombs. Coulombs is the SI unit of charge. Okay, so we have to find out energy. What will be the energy? But as we know that potential difference, that means V is equal to W divided by Q. Okay, so dear student, as we know that work done is equal to energy. Okay, so we can write this V is equal to E divided by Q. Okay, so work done and energy both are equal. So how can we find out the work done, or how can we find out the energy? E is equal to, that means क्या, V multiply Q. E is equal to, what is the V value? This is 6 multiply 1, that means 6. And V, as we know that the SI unit of work done and energy both are joule. So energy will be equal to 6 joule. This is the answer of